think the biggest reason that machine shops don't automate is because they don't understand what kind of equipment they need. They're afraid of purchasing equipment that seems expensive, that may not actually work for them once they get it. And they're not really sure how to proceed. All of our customers are really busy. They've got a lot of issues to deal with, and many of them are attracted to automation. They might have peripherally explored it in the past, but they haven't pursued it. It's really a great chance and opportunity when I get to meet them and talk to them about the Formic model, because we assume all of those risks and burdens for them. I help them understand what kind of equipment would be well suited for their production needs, and then I offer it to them at an hourly use rate. So there's no upfront cost at all. There's no risk of performance. We guarantee it. And our customers enjoy a savings compared to labor, as well as the machine uptime that Kyle was just speaking about.